If you're running into an ElevenLabs API key error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the 2 fastest fixes that solve this issue for most people. Whether you're seeing an invalid key message, a format error, or your app just refuses to connect, the problem is usually caused by either missing credits or a bad key that needs to be regenerated. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard and check your credits or character quota. This is one of the most common reasons the API starts failing. Even if your key is correct, if your account has run out of available characters, the service may stop working properly and can look like an API key problem. So once you're inside the dashboard, look for your usage, billing, or quota section and confirm that you still have remaining credits. If you've hit your limit, you'll need to add more credits or wait for your quota to reset before the API will work again. Now, if your credits are fine and the app still says the key format is invalid, the next step is to regenerate the key. Head over to your developer settings, then open the API key section. Find the current key you're using, delete it, and create a brand new one. Copy the fresh key carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it when you paste it into your app or script. A lot of API errors happen simply because the key was copied incorrectly, or because an old key became invalid and needs to be replaced. After that, save the new key in your application and test the connection again. In most cases, one of these 2 steps will fix the issue right away. If the problem was your quota, topping up credits should restore access. If the problem was the key itself, regenerating it gives you a clean, working token to use. And before you go, if this tutorial helped you solve your ElevenLabs API key error, please give this video a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.